In this short video, we are going to highlight one of the features of the KipwareXC editor, a feature we call XC Override. Let's dive in. We are set up to perform a sample conversion, and we have the original file and profile preloaded. So, pressing Mill Convert will initiate the conversion process, and once completed, we are presented with the KipwareXC editor, with a side-by-side containing the original file in one view and the converted file in the other. Just a note here, any file can be loaded into the editor, even without performing a conversion, and any of the features we are going to outline here can be performed on that file as well. So, in addition to being a G-code converter, KipwareXC can be simply used as a powerful G-code specific editor as well. On a converted file as shown here, toolbars are available on the left and right with all the same features and functions. Functions like adding end numbers, removing end numbers, adding spaces or deleting spaces for readability, color highlighting using a user-defined color palette, as well as auto-separating G and M codes, as well as one-touch conversion from inch to metric and reverse. But in this video, we are going to focus on the XC Override feature. This powerful tool allows users to perform a multitude of functions on either the original or converted program displayed in the editor. Let's say we want to increase all spindle speeds by 500. Input the letter address as S, input the plus sign, input the value either as a direct value or as a percentage, and convert. All spindle speeds in the program will be increased by 500. Next, let's say we want to increase all feed rates by 50%. Letter address is F, plus sign, and 50 as a percentage. And convert. If users don't want to convert every letter address in the program, they can use trigger codes to define specific lines where the conversion is to take place. For example, inputting G97 as a trigger code and an increase in S values of 50% would cause the conversion to increase S values only on lines containing G97. Another way to use this feature is to say, designate G81 as the trigger code and increase Z values by 0.250 to spot drill holes deeper throughout the program on all G81 lines. XC Override can be used for a ton of valuable functions, like scaling, rotation, and adjusting for fixture movement when applied to X, Y, or Z coordinates, for example, without the need for reprogramming or reposting. This one feature illustrates how KipwareXC is not only a valuable G-code converter, but also a valuable G-code specific editor as well. For more information on KipwareXC, visit our website at www.kipware.com.